Welcome to our Hurricane Resilience program. This session is about mental preparation for hurricane season and hurricanes. Designed and presented by MCA Mindful Caribbean Agency, mental health professionals Miranda Veldman, Carmencita Chimon and Alexandra van Luiken. Did you know that different research shows that approximately 30% of the persons that experience a natural disaster develop a mental health problem or even a post-traumatic stress disorder, also known as PTSD? For the further prevention of mental problems due to natural disasters, MCA developed information sessions on how to mentally prepare for natural disasters. MCA makes this program freely available in order to support the Caribbean communities. The value of mental preparedness becomes more recognized in its importance as we observe more and severe weather systems impacting the region. Research show that mental preparedness programs can assist in preventing and lessen the chance of mental health challenges and PTSD after experiencing hurricanes or other natural disaster situations. You are tuned into the Hurricane Resilience Program about mental preparation for hurricanes. In this session, we will be offering some simple and effective ways to manage your storm-related fears and anxiety, and to learn how to mentally prepare for the hurricane season or to the actual threat of a hurricane making landfall where you live. Life in the Caribbean is exceptional for its beauty and lifestyle. The geographical location, being in a hurricane-prone zone, forms a challenge, whereby yearly hurricane seasons and the threats and landfall of severe weather systems impacts daily life and livelihood. Sometimes experiencing these events resulting into developing psychological problems, including anxiety, depression, or post-traumatic stress disorder. While many community programs usually focus on practical advice on how to prepare, successful preparing for natural disaster includes both practical and psychological preparedness, because it is stressful for all. Let's go deeper into what you might experience. Stress, flashbacks, anxiety, sleeplessness, worry, uncertainty. The thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are all examples of what you might experience. Not only under the threat of an arriving weather system, but also with the start of the hurricane season, while the skies are clear. Especially when having bad experiences in your past, the tension experienced by you can be more than usual. Know that these feelings under these circumstances are normal and indicate that your body is going into an alarm mode. Experiencing these symptoms of stress is all about mental preparedness. Mental preparedness equals how to stay healthy during stressful times. When experiencing stressful situations, the first thing we sense is tension that increases, and the first things to go is activities to relax and to enjoy, while at risk for allowing bad habits to take over, like overeating, overdoing it with alcohol, or even trying drugs trying to numb yourself. We can't say it enough to write it on a little note to keep on your fridge. It is possible to feel calm and focus in difficult situations, and to bring attention to take extra good care of ourselves. It's our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that take us for a spin down anxiety lane. Instead, let's work to create a sense of coping and the ability to fare well under difficult circumstances. Mental preparation helps us to fare well in difficult situations. What to do? Preparing yourself we can divide into 2 steps. Step 1. Start from the practical approach, while step 2 takes us to expand the program with the mental preparation. In step 1, we make a plan. Have a preparedness checklist and recheck your practical approach. Make sure to start early in the season and tick off your accomplishments. Get the facts. Inform yourself about the storm. Get contact with the community advice and the guidelines that are often given on the radio, in newspapers, or on social platforms. Not unimportant, make connections to the people around you, involve others, including your children, in the tasks at hand. What to do? Step 2. The mental preparation. It might be hard to connect to healthy options, especially when feeling overwhelmed. This session is about step 2, the mental preparation, and for this we have a ground rule to imprint in your system. Taking care of you and your health empowers and enables you to deal with difficult situations. Keep in mind that it is okay to take care of yourself before being able to take care of others. This also applies to taking care of children. Mental preparation equals taking care of self. Purposeful connecting to making the best and most healthy choices creates opportunities for doing better under difficult circumstances. Staying calm and focused. It is the objective of this session to learn to stay calm and focused, for which we have the tools always with us. This session is about learning how to use your body and your breath, and to get insight in the system of how the mind works. By observing that you can make a difference between your thoughts, your feelings, and the outcome of these two in behavior. And to become aware that you have the tools to work with that are with you always. Your body and your breath. The power of the breath. Let's start zooming in on our breath. While the rhythm of our breath is regulated unconsciously, bringing attention to our breathing offers us a great way to step out of the turmoil of our thoughts. Your breath is connected to your thoughts. For example, if you have the thought that you're in so much danger that you're gonna die, notice how your breathing will be influenced. Your breath is also connected to how you feel. The faster breathing when you're afraid or experience anxiety. The breath is also connecting you to the options in your behavior. Being calm is possible when zooming in your attention to the breath. How? Our breath is our anchor. Mind you, you do not need to change anything. Your breath knows what to do. Can I invite you to close your eyes and invite your attention to your breathing? Do you notice your body parts that move with the rhythm of your breath? Do you breathe from your belly or your chest? Visualize how you breathe the stress outward. And from here, when you're ready to expand your attention back to this presentation and open your eyes. For children, in a playful way to regulate their breath, you can let them blow bubbles. But we know from experience, children do very well in building up the experience of meditations. The power of thoughts. From the moment we wake up to the moment we fall asleep, our mind produces one thought after the other. Did you know that our mind on average produces about 17,000 thoughts a day, of which close to 70% are negative thoughts? That's what the mind is designed to do. One thought triggers the next one. We often spiral with negative thoughts, losing ourselves in the stress and become entangled in trying to fix things. We invite you not to even try to want to change this. We just go around it. We have to step back and observe thoughts for what they are. Thoughts are not facts. And remember, each and every one of the thoughts are products of our own creation. To get some distance between you and your thoughts and not be taken on a ride without realizing, you can apply different methods to bring awareness to your thoughts. The method of diffusion. Create space between you and your thoughts. Describe your thoughts and put it in language. I have a thought that tells me, and finish the sentence accordingly. Another method is applying non-judgment. We are the strictest judges for ourselves. Prevent blame and judgment from being your main thoughts. You should let go of those. Another method is visualize thoughts as clouds. They come and go. And if you have thoughts that stay with you longer than you wish for, allow them, visualize them to be on that cloud that slowly floats away. While taking a different perspective towards thoughts helps us to remain calm, our body has a power as well. The realization of the power of the body. By being in contact with your body, you get access to a great source of information in the here and now. To assist in not letting your stressful thoughts get the best of you, your body is instrumental. Remember, you try not to stop your thoughts. You switch your attention from being with your thoughts towards being with your body. This exercise that makes contact with your body is called grounding. Press your toes in the floor and squeeze something with your hands. Be aware of the sensations in your toes and hands. Another way is to use your 5 senses. Study all information with a beginner's mind. Eat something like you never had it before. What do you taste? Look around. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you smell? And what do you feel? Also, choose a grounding object that you can focus all your attention towards. Pick one in the room that's close to you. Another method of grounding is distraction and enjoyment. Engage in pleasant activities such as reading, watching a movie, or playing a game. Besides practicing bringing attention to your body, charge yourself and give energy. And from the power of the breath, of the thoughts, and of the body, we automatically come to the power of meditation. Practicing to switch awareness and bringing attention to either your breath, your thoughts, or your body is actually what meditation is about. Paying attention non-judgmentally and purposefully, and inviting your attention over and over again to the target of your choosing is what you practice. This skill will influence your ability to step away from habitual behavior and making possibly wiser decisions. We invite you to cultivate meditation in your life to assist you to remain calm in difficult moments. To conclude today's session, we invite you to study the tips, summarizing and emphasizing the important changes you can make in your daily life and build your resilience towards stress in difficult situations. Integrate routines of nutritious meals, regular exercise, and sufficient rest and sleep. Radiate calmness and connect to trust. Share your emotions. Find your recourse, a source of help in a difficult situation, for example, a pet, your religion, a good memory, or a person. And also important, be realistic. You can't change things that are beyond your control. Rounding off, we from Mindful Caribbean Agency would like to thank you for taking the opportunity to inform yourself about mental preparedness and the techniques to use. Working as mental health care professionals, it is our mission to share expertise and assist people in navigating life challenges on the path towards a better life. We specialize in developing healthy lifestyle programs for individuals and businesses through team building, mindfulness, and empowerment programs. Interested in more training? Visit our website and join us on our social media. Facebook at MCA Caribbean. Website www.mcacaribbean.com. Be safe, be mindful.